Écouter.
means to listen. In this video, we will learn the verb to listen in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I listen.
J'écoute.
You listen, informal way.
Tu écoutes.
He listens, masculine.
Il écoute.
She listens, feminine.
Elle écoute.
We listen, or one listens, informal way.
On écoute.
We listen, formal way.
Nous écoutons.
You listen, formal way.
Vous écoutez.
They listen, group of males or mixed people.
Ils écoutent.
They listen, group of only females.
Elles écoutent.
This French verb refers to the action of actively paying attention to sounds, music, speech, or any audible content. It can be applied to different situations, such as enjoying music, understanding spoken language, participating in conversations, or simply being attuned to environmental sounds. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. I listen to music.
J'écoute de la musique. J'écoute de la musique.
You listen to the radio.
Tu écoutes la radio. Tu écoutes la radio.
He listens attentively.
Il écoute attentivement. Il écoute attentivement.
She listens to the birds.
Elle écoute les oiseaux. Elle écoute les oiseaux.
We listen to music.
On écoute de la musique. On écoute de la musique.
We listen to a podcast.
Nous écoutons un podcast. Nous écoutons un podcast.
You listen to the teacher.
Vous écoutez le professeur. Vous écoutez le professeur.
They listen to a song.
Il écoute une chanson. Ils écoutent une chanson.
They listen to their friends.
Elles écoutent leurs amis. Elles écoutent leurs amis.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I listen.
Je écoute.
You listen.
Tu écoutes.
He listens.
Il écoute.
She listens.
Elle écoute.
We listen, or One listens.
On écoute.
We listen.
Nous écoutons.
You listen.
Vous écoutez.
They listen.
Ils écoutent.
They listen.
Elles écoutent.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.